This is going to be an epic fight between Marj Zuckerberg and Femi Falana. I can't wait to see the part 2 of this fight. According to the report reaching us few hours ago, Femi Falana files ₦5 million lawsuit against Marj Zuckerberg's Meta over privacy invasion. Human rights lawyer and senior advocate of Nigeria, Mr. Femi Falana, has filed a ₦5 million lawsuit in the Lagos High Court against Meta Platform Incorporation, the US-based tech company owned by Marj Zuckerberg, over an alleged invasion of his privacy. The suit accuses Meta of publishing a video on its platform, Facebook, which falsely portrays Falana as suffering from a disease called prostatitis, thereby violating his privacy rights. In his motion, filed under Section 37 of the 1999 Constitution as amended and Sections 24(1), A, E and 34(1)(d) of the Nigerian Data Protection Act 2023, Falana, through his attorney Olumide Babalola, contends that the publication featuring motion images and a voice captioned Africare Health Center is inaccurate, misleading and damaging to his reputation. Falana argues that the video constitutes an unlawful breach of his privacy as guaranteed by Section 37 of the Nigerian Constitution. Falana is requesting the court to issue a declaration that the continued publication of his name, images and the video under the caption Africare Health Center on Meta's platform constitutes an invasion of his privacy. He also seeks an order for the immediate removal of the video and the deletion of the content from Meta's platform. In addition to these requests, Falana is seeking $5 million in general damages and any other relief the court deems fit. He claims the video has significantly damaged his image, causing emotional and psychological distress. According to Falana, the publication of this false information about his health has been offensive, disturbing and damaging to his personal and professional reputation, which he has worked to build over the years. Falana further argues that, as a respected human rights lawyer, he is entitled to the fundamental right to privacy as enshrined in the Nigerian Constitution. He claims the false publication infringed upon this right, leading to unnecessary distress. In his affidavit, Falana highlights his long-standing commitment to human rights, particularly in defending freedom of expression and fighting against government actions that infringe upon citizens' rights. He claims that he discovered a video posted by Meta on the Africare Health Center page, in which an individual falsely claims to be him, describing his supposed battle with prostatitis. Falana asserts that this video, which carries his name and image, is completely fabricated and has never been associated with him. Falana stresses that he has never had any interactions with Meta regarding his health, nor has he ever been diagnosed with prostatitis. He further condemns the video for spreading false and misleading information about him to millions of viewers worldwide. As Meta's platform has a global reach, although he does not view the video as libelous, Falana maintains that its content is reckless, harmful and an unjustifiable invasion of his privacy. He believes Meta published the video to drive traffic to its platform and boost advertising revenue without verifying the claims and disregarded the emotional distress the publication would cause him. The lawyer requests that the court take action to rectify this harm and protect his privacy from further violation. Wow, this is unbelievable. Since I have come to know Falana, Femi Falana SAN, this is my first time of hearing that Femi Falana took somebody to court. You guys remember that Femi Falana is a human rights activist, meaning that he is a lawyer that speaks for the less privileged, that speaks for the voice of the voiceless. He is a human rights lawyer. That means he is somebody that fights for others. So this is my first time to see him dragging somebody or dragging a company to the law court. Apart from that, this will also be my first time of seeing a Nigerian dragging a company like Facebook, because something like this is not common in our society. You only see something like this in the Europe, in the Western world. Places like the UK, the US, the Russia and so on. That is where you are going to see something like this. It is not common to our own society. If you go to the Western world, that is where they eat from something like this. Whenever Facebook or any other platform makes mistake, people are going to make money from them. So I can't wait to see how this thing will play out, because I have never seen, as I told you guys, Falana, the almighty Falana SAN, dragging somebody or a company to the law court because he is a human rights activist. He speaks for others. So I was surprised when I was going through my social media and I saw Falana dragging Facebook, Mark, to the law court, and he sued them. He said that they are going to pay him damages. What? This is a huge amount of money. So Nigerians are crossing their T's and dotting their I's to see how this thing is going to play out. Maybe Falana is the first. Maybe after Falana, others will follow suit, because I know that so many Nigerians are waiting for an opportunity like this. So many Nigerians, if you ask them, they will tell you that some of these social media platforms have violated their human rights, and they are all waiting for somebody to take the bold step. Just like what happened between Russia and one of the social media platforms. I will not give you guys the name of that platform, because that platform paid huge amount of money. I think that money is in trillions of dollars. So I know that so many Nigerians are just waiting to see how this issue between Falana and Facebook will play out, so that they will know whether they are going to join suits. Nigerians, what do you think? Do you think that Falana will win this case? Drop a comment for me.